Greetings from TestprepKart. This NEET 90 hours coaching program is not just a simple course, rather it's a game changer. It's going to give you a sharp cutting edge over those students who have been preparing for NEET. And the chances of getting into this MBBS under this 15% of All India quota is strengthened a lot, right? Here in this course, you are practicing 30 full-length paper, the topic-wise test of different level of difficulty. You are going to learn how to open a question, what basically are the steps involved in order to solve a question, how to attempt and approach a question, how to build up a logic, rather art of answering an answer. So this makes this crash course of NEET 90 hours very unique. It is just to say 90 hours because we have not added the actual number of test hours, which is actually more 90 hours. So altogether it's of 180 hours, right? Now, we will be with you till the NEET 2022 takes place, whether it is in June or July or August or September. So you have not to worry. The practice, the logic building, it will keep on going and going and going. So I invite all of you to join this course if you are looking for a good AIR standing for All India rank, right? If you are looking for the best of the colleges, if you are looking for all sort of assistance with the best of the teachers in India for physics, chemistry and biology. Thank you.